Maximize yield farming with Reef Finance, secure, multi-chain DeFi platform trusted by investors. In this video, we explore how Reef Finance maximizes yield farming opportunities with a secure, multi-chain approach. With only 13.3 billion Reef tokens, its limited supply and innovative strategies attract savvy investors. Reef Finance is a top-tier multi-chain DeFi platform built on Polkadot, offering scalability, low fees, and seamless cross-chain interoperability. This makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to dive into the decentralized finance ecosystem. Harnessing the power of AI, Reef Finance's yield engine facilitates smart borrowing, lending, mining, and staking. This creates a passive income stream for users while simplifying complex DeFi processes. Reef Finance's basket engine combines the intelligence engine and smart yield engine. This AI-driven tool helps users manage liquidity, optimize yields, and diversify their portfolios with ease and efficiency. Security is paramount for Reef Finance. Built on Polkadot, it provides strong protection against threats, while partnerships with insurance projects like Open and Nexus Mutual offer financial safety. Reef Finance simplifies the DeFi landscape by abstracting technical complexities, providing an easy-to-use interface that encourages both beginners and seasoned investors to engage in DeFi activities confidently. Polkadot's strong foundation offers Reef Finance significant advantages, such as enhanced scalability, reduced transaction fees, and cross-chain interoperability, setting it apart from Ethereum-based platforms. With over $1.3 billion locked in the Polkadot ecosystem, Reef Finance leverages this trusted network to offer a unique, secure, and efficient DeFi experience for yield farming enthusiasts. Reef Finance stands at the forefront of DeFi, providing a secure, user-friendly platform for maximizing yield farming. Its innovative use of AI and Polkadot technology makes it a promising choice for future DeFi growth. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and check out our next video.